Sorry for this short delay. On behalf of our CEO, Professor Milovan Bojic, I would like to transmit his warm greetings to all of you and to wish you successful 3D printing workshop which will be held today in our institute. Dedinje Cardiovascular Institute was privileged to be included in the process of scientific transformation led by SAGE unit of our country and supported by the World Bank and by very experienced consultants of the World Bank. Thanks to that support, we were able to get deeper insight into the innovation process, into the transfer technology process, and we did lots of progress in this domain. One of the most important achieved points is creation of the 3D printing lab, where support of Mr. Carl West was exceptional from the very beginning of this process. Nowadays we have 3 printers. The last one is of the highest standards, of the higher generation, and in this time frame of more than 2 years, we started to print different complex clinical contexts, and to use these images, to use these 3D printer models in our everyday clinical life. That's one domain of use of 3D printing service in our center. Another domain is to try to reach some commercial value, and that's why there is one innovative project, so-called UTRL project, which is ongoing and which is related to the commercialization pattern of 3D printing in our institute. I wish you all a very successful meeting, very successful workshop, very interactive workshop. Please be free to ask questions. This morning we had meeting between young medical doctors and Mr. Carl West, so it is really a privilege to have the first man of innovative center of the Cleveland Clinic in our institute. Ask questions, don't be ashamed, think about the fact that everything is feasible and that there are no borders when you wish to reach something, and the proof for that is Cleveland Clinic and results of the Cleveland Clinic. So be free to ask questions, to participate in the discussion and enjoy in this exceptional meeting. I would like to call Mr. Carl West for the first presentation, and thanks, Carl, for all your support from the very beginning of this intriguing and very interesting process for us.